Welcome to our guide on caring for your infrared thermal camera to ensure peak performance and longevity. Keep it clean. Regularly clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and cleaning solution to remove dirt, dust, and smudges. A blower should be used to remove dirt and dust before wiping to prevent scratching the lens. Protect the lens with the cap when not in use to prevent damage and keep it debris-free. Avoid extreme temperatures. Stay within the camera's specified operating temperature range. If it's rechargeable, manage the batteries according to the manufacturer's guidelines. When traveling with your camera, secure it in a padded case to protect it from physical shocks. Use a wrist and/or neck strap to prevent drops in the field. When not in use, store your camera in a protective case or pouch to shield it from physical damage and environmental factors. Depending on the type of thermal camera, calibration may be required. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for calibration schedules. Remember to familiarize yourself with the manufacturer's recommendations and guidelines provided in the user manual. This will help you understand the specific care requirements for your camera model. These are just a few of the essential tips for caring for your infrared camera. Proper maintenance ensures accurate performance and extends the camera's lifespan. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Contact your ICI sales representative and visit us at www.infraredcameras.com.